Hello kids, today we are going to start with lesson number 23, composition. And in this video we will study picture composition and story writing. So let us start with picture composition. Here some pictures are given which tells us a story, but these pictures are in the wrong order. So we have to number the pictures in the correct order and then we have to write few lines about what we should do to stay healthy. So let us see the pictures first individually. As you can see here, in the first picture, a boy is trimming his nails. In the second picture, a boy has just woke up in the morning. In the third picture, a boy is eating fruits. In the fourth picture, a boy is taking bath. In this picture, two boys are playing with a ball. As you can see here, a boy is doing exercise. Here, a boy is sleeping. And in this last picture, a boy is brushing his teeth. So now children, we have to number these pictures according to actions which should be performed by the boy in sequence. So let us write the numbers in the boxes given over here. So the first picture should be a boy waked up in the morning. Then second picture should be a boy is brushing his teeth. So here in the box we have to write number 2. Third picture should be the boy is taking bath. Fourth picture should be the boy is doing exercise. Fifth picture should be the boy is eating fruits. Sixth picture should be the boy is trimming his nails. And seventh picture, the boys are playing with a ball. And eighth one, last one should be the boy went to bed. Okay children, understood? So now we have to write few lines about what we should do to stay healthy. And we will use information from the given pictures. So let us see the points. First one, wake up early. Second, eat fruits and vegetables. Third one, have a bath daily. Fourth one, trim your nails. Fifth one, play outdoor games. Sixth one, exercise daily. Seventh one, sleep on time. And last, brush twice a day. These are the points children. We should always remember to stay healthy. With this, we have completed our picture composition. Now, we will start with story writing. Children, before starting to write a story, it is very important for us to know the story. Yes, so let us first listen to the story which we are going to write. Children, this is a story of a little mouse and a lion who is a king of a jungle. One day, a lion found a mouse and he wanted to eat that mouse. The mouse got scared and started to beg to the lion by saying, "Please, please, oh, the king of jungle, please don't eat me. I will help you whenever you are in need." By hearing this, the lion started laughing at the mouse but let it go. Then one day hunters came in the jungle and placed net to trap the lion, and the lion got trapped in the hunter's net and started to roar loudly. The mouse was passing by and heard the roaring of lion. When he went nearby, he saw the lion was caught in the net. The mouse remembered its promise and decided to help the lion, ignored all the net and set free the lion. The lion was very thankful to the mouse, and thereafter the lion and the mouse become friends forever. So children, isn't it was a very nice story? Yes. So what do you think the name of the story should be? Yes, the title of the story should be The Lion and the Mouse. Now, let's complete the story which is there in your textbook on page number 92. So, this is the story, children. We have to complete this story. It is on page number 92. Here story is given. We have to just fill in the blanks and we have to complete the story. So, I'll read the story. Okay. A mouse is found by a lion. Here we have to add is. Okay. The lion wants to eat the mouse. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. I will help you when you are in need." The lion laughed at it but let it go. One day, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. The mouse was passing by and saw the lion caught in the net. The mouse remembered its promise and decided to help the lion. It gnawed all at the net till the lion is set free. The lion and the mouse become friends forever. Okay, so you have to complete this story and we have to give a suitable title to it. So I have already given the title, that is the lion and the mouse. So that is the suitable title for this story. Okay children, thank you.